Cheyenne, you and Diana are gonna be grandma's maid of honor at our wedding.
Really? Why is she gonna be the maid of honor? She just reach here.
Cheyenne, don't be like that. Diana's your auntie. You have to learn to get along with her. You're not excited how things are go well for once. Come on, man. Relax yourself and just get along with Diana. She's a nice girl.
Alright, Daddy, we'll try to get along with her, okay?
Hold on, make it a slice of rum cake.
Sean? Oh my god, it's been so long. Look at you, you look just like your father.
Sure, you look so good, man. Like you haven't even aged in years. Look by you. Still beautiful as ever. My god, I really miss you now. Can't believe you're there back at
So
Jamaica.
much compliment one time. Thank you, Sean. Look at it. I have some pictures to show you. Look at
I
that.
see you home. I'm not even surprised. You make it far, man. Oh, I really miss you now.
I miss it too, Sean. No lie. But look here. I want to ask you something.
Cheyenne, I want to talk to my old friend if I look a bit, so why not go on home and pack up all our food here for I get to your mother, okay? I'll soon come home, no worry.
Alright, Daddy.
Alright, love you, baby. Safe trip home. What do we usually do in high school, remember?
Oh, Sean, you stay the same way.
Something smells like hot garbage. Listen to me, I'm not in the mood with you, you know. So just shut up, mad gal. Don't touch the food in the fridge, it's from a man. God.
Hola, senorita, my beautiful love. I have finally seen you again. Yo, Annie, you know I'm playing. But anyways, what's up? Haven't seen you in a while.
Maybe because me that hide from you, that's why. 9. Why you have that stupid smile on your face? You don't know when somebody had diss you. You're so annoying, Miguel. Why you can't just leave me alone?
Ah, but you remember that I love that accent and you continue to talk to me like that. Oh, I love you, Annie. You're the girl for me.
Blah blah blah. Whatever you say, you are mad and I have nothing else to say to you.
You hungry? I can get you some McDonald's down the street if you want some.
McDonald's, really? That's what you're offering me? How romantic.
Well, you say we're friends, but if you come my woman, I'll bring you all over. Expensive restaurants and all. I'll take good care of you, Annie. Well. You won't have to worry about nothing, mommy.
Blah, blah, blah. Listen, let's get something to eat then, alright?
Aye, so you agree that you're gonna be my wife and I'm gonna take good care of you and I'm gonna love you up and kiss you and all over. I'm gonna gobble you up, Annie. I'm gonna taste all the sweetness that you got to offer me.
What you just say?
Me amor.
You know what, just come, let's go get some to eat.
So how has life been treating you? How is everything with you?
Life alright, you know, just trying to survive and live.
I hear you. I understand. What will you say?
What about you? Why you decide to come back to Jamaica?
Honestly, I really miss Jamaica. Foreign get boring to me and my mother get on my nerves. You don't even know how excited I am for be here now.
Well, where you go, I can see. So how's your mother doing? She alright?
She really annoying, me not lie. Always forcing me to do things what she want me to do. Can't have my own life. Tired of her.
Or she make you never keep the baby?
Yeah, she forced me to abort it. She said if I never abort it, I would have to stay at Jamaica.
I'm sorry, Sherry. I know I put you through a lot.
Don't do that, Sean. It was partially my fault too. I mean, I talked to your father and me and you had things in high school. I just did young and stupid. We both were young and stupid.
What if I could do it all over again? Would I be with you? I'm not lie.
Your daughter favor you bad door. She have your eyes on everything.
Yeah, but me and her mother not really righted, you know?
Seem like she right for you. She had your baby.
Yeah, but look on that. She only do that because she didn't want me to turn with her. But I guess it work because I'm still there with her.
If you're not happy, you should leave her.
I wanted to.
If you wanted to, you want to be with her. Simple. Don't stay where you're not happy, Sean. Believe me.
I never say me never happy.
Well, I don't think he is. I think you would be more happy with me.
No lie, you were the only girl that made me happy. Rosalina, what about that name? I love the way you just blankly stare at me. I love everything about you, Annie.
Really? Cause you can't just love somebody where you barely even know much about. You sound mad. And Rosaline's an ugly name. I would name my daughter that.
No, that's alright. You can name her whatever you want to name her. I don't mind.
What in your mind thinks that you're going to get married with me and have
I
kids?
just know that you're the one for me. I can feel it.
Whoa, you're going a bit too far.
You don't believe in love at first sight?
Yeah, I do. That's why I have a man. Will you stop staring at me like that?
How can I stop staring at the woman I love?
Simple. Close your eye.
I don't even like blinking because I lose every glimpse of you. And every glimpse is precious.
Boyfriend, Miguel. I have a boyfriend, alright?
Yeah, but you can't match up to me. I'll treat you like a queen.
What's the mad me I go mad? No. Really, I see right? Really, I see right? Oh my god. To every gal in the world, you kiss up this mad blood clot gal? Not a shame.
Annie, it's not what it looks like.
What do I look like then? Come in know if me see you with my 2 eye then you a kiss her.
Annie, look, she came to me. She came on to me.
Mad girl came on to you? I bet you hear picking in her belly too.
Oh, Annie, it's not my kid.
Oh, so that's why she had a girl on top about she have brown baby in her belly. And you're a brown baby in her belly. You dirty stinking boy. So imagine, what if me bring you to Jamaica come meet my family? And you sleeping with mad woman? And what kind of shame you want to come put on me now?
Annie, let's just talk about this, please.
Talk about your mama. I found your address with the information where you give me. I'm sorry I come here so late, but I'm so fed up. Can you believe that boy breed the mad girl, my roommate? Like, I don't even know my last words right now. I'm so upset.
Annie, calm down.
Calm? I'm gonna stay calm. Do you know how embarrassing this is?
Listen, I completely understand what you're saying, but you have to relax a little bit, okay?
I'm so stupid. I'm surprised I didn't even realize. She kept saying it. Brown baby. All this time, I didn't even know. It's so frig up.
It's gonna be alright, Annie.
Stop telling me it's gonna be alright. It's not gonna be alright. This is so embarrassing. Imagine when my friend and them find out.
Yo, who gives a shit about what your friends think, man? Stop worrying about it. Good riddance, you should be happy.
I guess you're right. I should be happy, right?
Yeah, what if it got serious with him? It would have been worse.
It was serious. We've been together for a while.
It was serious for you, but it wasn't serious for him.
I can't go home tonight. I can't deal with it.
Don't worry about it, you can stay here with me.
Alright, but no foolishness, okay?
Oh, you're upset? No, I won't do that to you, Annie.
Thank you. Thank you, Miguel.
It's alright, mommy. Everything's gonna be okay, okay?